Alright, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable live caption in Windows 11. So this is pretty straightforward. So it's really simple to do as well. So just press Windows button, Ctrl and L. Alright, and that should bring you the live caption. And first thing is that you will need to set this up. So I'm going to choose United States as English language. So you can choose whatever language that you guys wanted to. So I'm just going to use English and continue. And also you will need to download this language file. So you can see you can download them as well. So yes, continue that. And now this will download the language files. So I'm not gonna lie that this download took a lot of time. You can see the timer right there. And now let's get started. So let's play some video on YouTube. Let's play some Joe Rogan.
Like, I think we want to change the aesthetic.
You can drag
over
and
time.
drop that as well.
You don't want the aesthetic to be constant over time. You want to evolve the aesthetic. So
pretty much you can see it's working completely fine. Now on the right side you can see there is a cog icon, setting icon, and you can position this below screen and you can just drag that. All right, so you can also do profanity, like some bad words, and you can also style the caption styles if you wanted to, but you need to play with some this one, like yellow, blue, whatever you wanted to. So I will stay this on default for right now. And next thing here is you can also include your microphone audio. Now whatever I am speaking, it will pick and it will go on caption mode. You can see that, and pretty amazing this one. All right, so this is how you guys can enable caption on your Windows computer, and it's that simple. I hope this video helps you out on enabling this, and if you guys have any query, leave down on a comment and thumbs up for this video as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.